Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically send pins in like the Pinterest messages bit, or like how you can send just messages on Pinterest. So select messages here, and I'm just going to select this. I don't think it's gonna reply anyways. They're gonna reply anyways. You can type the message here. You can send a pin to them, for instance this, and yeah, that's pretty much it really. I'm just gonna type in hello, just press the like enter button and send in your pin. You can also send it from here, I think, like share it, and then like you can click send on Pinterest. I'm sorry for whoever I sent that message to. That's just me trying. Anyways, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.